Hi, Jags. This is Mrs. Labar in the counseling office, and today I'm going to show you a couple of the cool things that are located in the Blue Valley West Counseling Canvas course. You may be thinking to yourself, why do I need a counseling Canvas course? Come on, Mrs. Labar, I have enough courses as it is. I get it, but it is a really great resource, and it's something you're going to have from 9th all the way till 12th grade. And each year is going to bring different things. So the things that we're going to put in here have to do with enrollment, have to do with schedule changes, have to do with college, career, mental health resources, scholarships, different events that may be coming up. And also, we're going to keep all of our counseling advisory individual plan of study lessons here too. So I want to show you, because that's information that you're going to need at different times throughout your time in high school. First of all, log into your Canvas dashboard. It should just be one of the course tiles along with all your other classes. If you can't see it, make sure that you have your view on all courses. If you still can't see it, you probably didn't accept the invitation. See if you can find that invitation, and if not, come back into the counseling office and we'll get you re-invited. Now, click on the counseling course. And this is the home page. I'm going to move it to student view so you can see exactly what you'll see when you log in. And this shows you our faces and shows you our contact information, but most of the time when you come to our course, this is not where you're headed. You're going to always go to modules. Modules is where everything is held for you. So you click on modules, and everything is going to be listed by grade level. And most of the time it'll be closed up like that. So you want to click on your grade level. I'm going to select sophomores for today, and you're going to see all of the resources that are available for you to take a look at. Right near the top, your 10th grade counseling advisory lessons, that's where those IPS lessons are going to be going for that individual plan of study, or if you've got lessons for Naviance and things like that. So if you miss something or you're not sure how to do it, you can go to that page anytime. Here we have some information about summer school, and here also is a really great resource. These are Naviance help videos. So if you click on that, these are quick little tutorials about how to do different things within the Naviance software. How do I log in? How do I create a four-year plan? How do I sign up for college visits? How do I use the Supermatch college search? All of these videos are probably right around 5 minutes long, if that, and they're going to give you a really quick way to how to navigate that software program. Now we'll go back and I'll show you, for today, you're going to log into Blue Valley West Counseling Canvas page, and you're going to click on the Counseling Advisory lesson. And this advisory lesson is actually going to walk through, get you logged into Naviance, and you're going to do a quick little activity that will be posted here. It's not posted right now, so you're going to have to log in and find out what that is. But click on 10th grade counseling advisory lesson to find out what your activity is and how to get started today. So that's really it. Blue Valley West Counseling Canvas course. Click on modules, click on your grade, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, Jags.